Here are four different ways that you're able to kind of help teachers see how an escape room might work within School AI. This is an Escape the Big Bad Wolf, and this is the literacy edition, where there are four different puzzles that teachers and educators need to figure out. First, they're going to be trapped in a straw house and they have to find evidence to crack the code. Within this space, students or teachers actually are going to be in here and they're going to need to figure out kind of the main idea and the main parts of this area. From here, they're going to take all three of these words and try to figure out the code that enters into unlocking this code. Once they figure out the code, they're finished with this space and they're all set to move on to the next one. In the next space, students or teachers are going to unscramble the academic terms, match them to the definitions, and explain them in their own words. They're going to crack the code and prove their vocabulary power. So, for example, they're going to have unscrambled words here, the definitions are here, and need to make connections to those words. After that, the space is going to give them the code to unlock to the next space. On character number 3, they're going to go undercover as they kind of explore, and they're going to be a journalist. They're going to question a literacy consultant to uncover what's missing from their reading approach. So in this space, they are going to be interviewing and kind of working through what is it about this to give that code right here at the end. They're going to need to use questioning to really dive deep into the pedagogy and the philosophy of their ideas when it comes to literacy. Character number 4 is where they're going to build out their own lesson. They're going to think through a 30-minute lesson and build it out. As they're building it out, they're going to think about different extensions and resources that might be needed. They're going to get feedback from the space as well. And once they have a solid foundation for their lesson, they're going to unlock that code. Students or teachers can add their codes right here as they find them to be able to unlock their understanding of literacy through this fun breakout escape room.